अस्सलामुअलैकुम लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम टू द सभी मदी पॉडकास्ट। और आज की पॉडकास्ट में तो हमारे साथ बड़े ही जबरदस्त मेहमान आए हुए हैं। ही इज बड़ा जबरदस्त, एक टैलेंटेड आदमी है, बड़े फनकार कलाकार, एक अफलातून टाइप आदमी है। ही इज रिटायर्ड कैप्टन फ्रॉम आर्मी, और उसके अलावा फिर उन्होंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन की। देन ही मूव्ड, ही जंप टू एक्टिंग एंड मॉडलिंग, और आज हम इनसे बड़े मजेदार किस्म की मजे की बातें करेंगे। So please welcome Mr. Etizaz Anjum Sahab. Sir, welcome to the show.
Sir, thank you very much for having me. Thank you very much.
Most welcome. बड़ी देर से मैं आपके पीछे पड़ा हुआ था, लेकिन आज आप मेरे हाथ आई गए.
नहीं, I'm really sorry for that. I just couldn't make it. I was out of city traveling. और
आपने बताया था you have a very hectic schedule.
Exactly. I have to be on the roads, moving to various cities for work and all. तो सबसे पहले तो I'm really sorry that I couldn't make it in time. It's been a long time. Way back you have been calling, but I couldn't make it. So I'm live session. I'm saying sorry to Madi bhai.
तो चले और सुनाए यार, इसके अलावा और सुनाए what's going on, कैसी आपकी लाइफ, अपना थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस बताइए. You've been in army, you've been a captain, तो tell us something about that. क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका आर्मी में?
Okay.
हाँ जी.
Army has been very adventurous, and especially for me it was too much adventurous. वो क्यों, वो मैं आपको भी बताता हूँ. उसमें ये है कि मदी, I joined army and I served in army for almost 11 years. I won't be saying anything that would be kind of कोई टी शेड किस्म की बात मैं नहीं करूँगा. आर्मी इज़ एक्सेलेंट, आर्मी इज़ अमेजिंग. हमारी जो इट्स द बैकबोन ऑफ आवर कंट्री, इट्स द प्राइड ऑफ आवर कंट्री. आई होल्ड दैट प्राइड इन मी विद इन माई ओन सेल्फ के आई हैव बीन इन आर्मी, आई हैव सर्व्ड माई मदरलैंड. बट first of all, to be very honest, I wanted to join some other arm and I landed in some other arm. By arm I mean to say it's
आसमान से गिरा
खजूर मेट का. तो first of all when we have a training in Pakistan Military Academy, वहाँ पे हमारी एबटाबाद PMA काकूल एबटाबाद, वहाँ पे जब हम ट्रेनिंग करते हैं तो in 2 years we get to understand which arm is made for me and or which arm I have to join or I have to go into.
मैंने means यानी कि किस सेक्टर में जाना है?
Yes. अब let me just make it more simple. There is infantry, there is armored corps, tankowali. There is aviation, there is ordnance which supplies, it's a supply corps, S&T, supply and transport, and many more like this. Engineers, signals. So those who are not physically fit and they think that they are mentally fit and they can go with studies in future, they opt for engineers and signals. Now you would be getting it in a much more clearer way.
Yes.
And those who are physically fit and they think that they are just so in their studies, they go for infantry, because in infantry there is a huge scope for becoming a red taper or go high in ranks. So I wanted to go into armor, but I landed in infantry. I will be very short and I will not precise. I don't want to just make stories here. Okay, so I wanted to go into armor. I landed in infantry, and that was the sole reason why after 11 years of service I left army.
Okay.
Because one wrong decision of your life. I had no objection, I had no complaints with army or the setup of army. My choice was wrong. So
गलती आप में थी, आर्मी
गलती मेरे में थी, गलती आर्मी में नहीं थी. So I'm taking the whole blame on me, my own self.
It is very because not blaming other people and not blaming life and this and that. जो लोग जो होता है,
exactly, people do that. लोग क्या करते हैं,
फलाने की वजह से हो गया, फलाने उसने ये किया तो मैं आज इस
exactly. But I am not like that. As we were talking before.
Tell us about you were saying that you were like you shot Taliban and stuff like that.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा मैं आपको बता दूँ अपना background. When I joined army, after getting passed out from PMA, I landed in Kashmir, line of control. I served there for 3 years. That was peace pact with India, so no thrill. We just had to make sure that the line of control is secure. That's it. 3 years service. After that, we came to another station, and after that, my unit was announced for Operation Breakna 1, Breakna 2 in Mohmand and Bajod agency.
Oh.
We had to fight with Taliban, as the whole nation knows, I think so. We have lost many lives, many sacrifices have been done by the military officials and sepoys. So that is a sad part of it, but it goes like that, I think so. But I have, I must say on this podium, I just want to share this thing with all the people listening to me right now, that I have this honor on my chest that I have killed 3 Taliban on point blank range while serving in Mohmand and Bajod agency in operation against Taliban.
And it's such a badass experience.
That is bro, that was
Like shooting.
मतलब just imagine कि आपको इंडिया में क्या है, इंडिया में आपका एक बॉर्डर है, चल रहा है, you know कि enemy just can infiltrate from this point.
Miles away.
बट ये कॉन्सेप्ट इधर नहीं है. आप इन एजेंसीज में और ये ट्राइबल बेल्ट और फाटा, इधर आपके साथ क्या है सबसे बड़ा डायलेमा कि एनिमी कैन कम फ्रॉम एनीवेयर whatsoever. How although the army is doing its best कि वो अपने उस AOR को सिक्योर करके रखे, जिस भी यूनिट के पास जो सा भी एरिया ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है सब, बट स्टिल you have no idea. We you know, I used to wake up at 7 in the morning and मैं खुद नहीं उठता था, गोलियों की आवाज़ से उठते थे. टक 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 पटाक पटाक ट्यू ट्यू आवाज़ आ रही है.
Really?
I swear. और मैं और हम there used to be 2 officers on one post, और हमारे साथ कंपनी कमांडर होता था मैं, साथ मेरे नीचे पूरी कंपनी की पोस्टें, साथ जवान होते थे सारे. एंड आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप एकदम से सोए में टक 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 पटाक पटाक. नो, इट वाज अ रूटीन मैटर देन.
Really?
And we used to enjoy that. हम फिर बाहर निकलते थे. At times we used to just have dance on those the voice of those that bullets. वो जो शोर था उन गोलियों का.
Was it like कि आपको पता नहीं था कि यार आज रात आप वापस आएंगे या नहीं? Did you have
every day I used to wake up. कलमा एडवांस में हम पढ़ लिया करते थे हर दिन जब सुबह आँख खुलती थी. रात को सोने से पहले कलमा पढ़ के सोते थे, क्योंकि we never used to know कि we are going to get up or not. हम उठेंगे कि नहीं उठेंगे, या हमारी जहाद करते हुए हमारी जान चली जाए, जो कि बड़ी दुआ थी मेरी, लेकिन अल्लाह को नहीं मंजूर था. आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू एम्ब्रेस शहादत, बट आई नेवर कुड. अल्लाह नहीं चाहते थे, लेकिन
Allah has something better for you.
yeah, Allah has always planned something better for everyone, so we should not be complaining about that.
तो first tell us कि who are these Taliban और कहाँ से आते हैं? Like what's their origin? जिनको आपने शूट किया था कहाँ से आए थे, वो कौन है?
Madi, basically this could be a controversial kind of a statement that I would be giving on this show. I don't think so that on this show I should be talking about these things, but they are definitely the foreign fighters. They are not from Pakistan. They don't belong to this land. They are being sponsored. I am talking in very hidden words, but I think so. All those people.
No, you can talk in open words. This
bro, you know.
Story.
actually, I intentionally I don't want to, because
you don't want to get in trouble.
No. I have been there, done that. मुझे उस वक्त नहीं घबराए तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आज क्या घबराना है, वो मसला नहीं है. But the only thing that is I must not say bothering me, that's kind of, you know, थोड़ा सा मेरे हिला रही है माइंड को, वो ये है कि मतलब I don't know, I should not be speaking here about something like a national hero. I'm just discussing my own life, right?
Yeah.
So I don't need to discuss these current affairs. I don't think so.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है, तो क्योंकि थोड़ा सा out of the course हो जाएगा वो. तो बाकी ये है कि as I have already mentioned, they are being sponsored by on the map. Pakistan is having neighbors in north, south, east, west. So I think I am making myself very much clear. All those who want to know कि ये कहाँ से आते हैं, तो आप हमारे 3 से 4 मुल्क हैं जिनके नाम आप उस पे देख लेंगे और वो एविडेंट होगा कि वो कहाँ से आते हैं. They infiltrate because
इंडिया, चाइना, ईरान, अफगानिस्तान ये हमारे नेबर्स हैं.
exactly. So
So
India, Russia, Afghanistan, these 3 countries have a vital role of training Taliban, having their camps right on the border, and those camps are their training camps. They get trained there, they become eligible of crossing the borderline, and then they infiltrate, and they are told already कि what they have to do, कितना नुकसान पहुंचाना है जाके कहीं भी. Although खैर छोड़ें यार, ये बड़ी अजीब सी डिस्कशन.
तो उसके अलावा उसके बाद आप how did you move into politics? And
No, we were discussing it, but I couldn't complete it. I left army, and then I left army to do business. मैं अपना business किसी भी food hub का करना चाहता था, and I started that. I had a contract with 2 or 3 big giants here in Lahore, and I kicked it off, and it was going very well. In the meantime, I got a call via Sindh government to become personal staff officer, PSO to Sherry Rahman, Senator Sherry Rahman, People's Party.
Okay.
So in short, I just handed over the business to one of my partners, and I joined. I went straight away to Karachi,
अच्छा.
and I joined Sherry Rahman as her PSO. It went very well for good 1 year. बड़ा अच्छा चला, बड़ा ज़बरदस्त रहा. I had a hell lot of an exposure. बहुत ज़बरदस्त. It was just, people long to just see a glimpse of these personalities as we see them on TV, so they become celebrities for us. Bilawal and Zardari and all you Sara.
So you were working with.
I was working with
as
them.
the right hand man.
Yeah. I was having those people in front of me like this. They were sitting here, and
What was your job?
My job was to protect Sherry Rahman, Senator Sherry Rahman.
Okay.
I was personal staff officer, security officer, and I had to plan everything that was going around Sherry Rahman. Okay. If she has to go to any, for example, she has to go to Institute of Business and Administration, IBA Karachi, right? As a guest speaker. I have to go there 2 hours prior to that, and I have to check all the premises as far as security is concerned.
सारा security का आपके ऊपर था.
On me, I used to just push their own guards away, and I used to employ my own people there, so that no one is supposed to interfere or infiltrate while Sherry is there. So this was my job, and other than that, scheduling her plans.
So you had arms with you all the time?
Yeah, I was armed 24/7.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Like a bodyguard?
Yeah, like a body. I had a pistol here, I had, I had many things. Many things, bro. So it was a great experience, I must say. It was a great experience. People long for these things. I had been there. I had been through that atmosphere, that environment, and
how was it like?
It was having a lot of pressure. I was having a lot of pressure every time. I had a
इतनी बड़ी responsibility.
It was a huge responsibility.
ज़रा सी ऊंच नीच, so you're gone.
I'm gone. She's gone.
Everyone's gone.
Yeah, everyone is gone. We need to travel in. We used to travel in bulletproof cars. It was a motorcade of 5 to 6 vehicles, all loaded with men. And
to protect one lady.
One lady, Senator Sherry Rahman. But she's a great lady, I must say. Very professional and very nice, and she's really a very humble and a very docile kind of personality. I don't know if people dislike her being a politician, but don't dislike her being a person. She's a very nice lady, I must say. And thumbs up to you, ma'am Sherry Rahman, if you're watching if at all ever you watch this program.
I hope she does.
I also want that.
अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद
फिर I came back to Lahore due to some family issues,
You left Sherry Rahman.
I left Sherry Rahman. I just
They thought क्या?
yeah, बस थोड़ा सा. Although it was something that she also didn't insist, and I just told her once कि ma'am I need to leave. Now I have to.
मुझे जाना होगा.
मुझे जाना होगा मैम. अब ये जो
सिमरन मैं जा रहा हूँ.
ये बिल्कुल वैसा ही था. अब मुझे जाना होगा और तुम्हें अब अपना ख्याल खुद रखना होगा सिमरन.
तो पलट.
तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि आई केम बैक टू लाहौर फ्रॉम कराची एंड अब जो बात आ रही है ना दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
यॉर्कर आने वाला है.
अब आ रहा है फुल यॉर्कर आ रहा है और इन स्विंग जिससे कि आप सब
क्लीन बोर्ड हो जाएंगे.
क्लीन बोर्ड हो जाएंगे. मतलब आप कहेंगे यार व्हाट अ डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. इतनी
Free hit चाहिए हमें.
फ्री है फ्री होगी. तो इट वेंट सो गुड. जो मैं बताने जा रहा हूँ मैं वहां से आता हूँ. मुझे बचपन से एक्टिंग का बहुत शौक था. अब आप सिर्फ एक चीज ये नोट कीजिएगा कि where I started out from.
From army shooting Taliban.
I am an ex-army officer, captain retired. Then I went as a PSO to Senator Sherry Rahman, remained in politics. Then after that, I had a passion for acting since my childhood, and I wanted to come on TV. I wanted to face camera, but I was not completely sure that I could do that or not. I came here in 2017. There were auditions going on in A+. पहले A+ ने ऑडिशन लिए थे, फिर CTV के थ्रू वो ड्रामा रिकॉर्ड हुआ था सारा. लाइफलाइन, उसमें डॉक्टर आमिर का कैरेक्टर था मेरा. I went there, I gave the auditions, and the next day I got a call कि you have been selected for the lead role. डॉक्टर आमिर, ठीक है, who's the जानेमन ऑफ लाइफलाइन हॉस्पिटल. और हर बंदा उसके इर्द गिर्द है. और मतलब
ये किस साल आया था ये शो?
ये 2017 2017 18.
I'll search it on YouTube.
Yeah, yes it is. You can search it.
What's the name again?
Lifeline.
Yeah.
लाइफलाइन. वहाँ से मेरा ये सफ़र शुरू होता है जो कि मैं चाहता था. मेरे रब ने अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, थैंकफुल टू अल्लाह ऑलमाइटी, उन्होंने मुझे मेरा इस शौक़ पूरा करने के लिए मुझे एक मौका मिला. और मैंने बड़ा अच्छा फ्रॉम द वेरी स्टार्ट. इट वाज नॉट एट ऑल इन द स्ट्रीम ऑफ मीडियोकर एक्टर्स या कुछ भी. स्ट्रगलिंग नेवर. डायरेक्ट I went for the auditions, and next day I am getting a call that you have been selected for the lead central role in Lifeline, and you will be working with these actors. I have worked with Noorul Hassan sahab in individual episode, in me and him. Basically
शाना
बशाना. और ऐसे ही था. आप देखें Lifeline में concept क्या था. Every episode was different. It was not like के every day डॉक्टर्स के साथ क्या हैपनिंग्स होती हैं, किस किस किस्म के इमोशनल, गुस्से वाले, लड़ने वाले,
like actual real life.
Yes, real life stories. और एक हॉस्पिटल में क्या होता है, हॉस्पिटल्स में जो डॉक्टर्स होते हैं वो किस किस स्ट्रेस से गुजरते हैं.
What is their mindset behind?
What is the true mindset behind running a hospital, behind being doctors, behind being patients, behind being families of patients. आपको उन्होंने A to Z उन्होंने सारी वो उसकी प्रॉपर पिक्चर उसमें दिखाई थी. लाइफलाइन.
I'll give the link in the description.
Please give. It's an amazing drama, and उसमें उस्मान खालिद भट्ट साहब, नुमान एजाज,
अच्छा,
उसके बाद ये नूरुल हसन साहब, शफकत चीमा.
अच्छा.
हर एपिसोड में एक ना एक को कुछ ना कुछ कैरेक्टर दे के एक एपिसोड में इस तरह का मेन लीड कैरेक्टर डाला जाता था.
और आपका throughout the
every doctor was linked in some way with every episode.
आपका सब एपिसोड में क्या रोल था? सब
almost कोई होती थी जिसमें किसी एक डॉक्टर का उस एक स्पेसिफिक कैरेक्टर के साथ या पर्सनालिटी जो आ रही हैं. जैसे नुमान एजाज हैं, अब उनका एक डॉक्टर है डॉक्टर समी और नुमान एजाज की एपिसोड है, तो उसमें फिर
It must have been one hell of a ride.
बहुत, मतलब it was such an exposure यार कि from the day one I